Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set a sleep timer on Spotify. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up Spotify, then you can either click on the current playlist at the bottom of the screen or you can select a new one. Then again just click on the song at the bottom of the screen. Then you should see a symbol on the bottom right hand side. So you just want to click on that. Then again, at the bottom right hand side, you should see the option for timer. So you want to click on that. This will bring up a range of options from 5 minutes up to 1 hour. You can also select end of track if you want to do that. But once you're happy with whatever you've selected, you should see the timer turn green. And if you want to turn it off, just click on timer and scroll down and you should see the option to turn off timer. So that's how you can set a sleep timer on Spotify. Thanks for watching.